Welcome back everyone. In this short video, we'll keep on talking about Excel amazing new function XLOOKUP. In this video, we'll deep dive on XLOOKUP optional fields and how to use them to make XLOOKUP even more flexible and powerful. In particular, today we'll see how XLOOKUP integrates the IFERROR within its options. Let's take once again our security database. In the first sheet, we have a list of securities, 2 empty columns for category and country, and the value in $1,000. In the second sheet, we have the detail of category and country we want to add in the first sheet. And once again, I'm moving across sheets with the Control and Page Up and Page Down shortcuts. Let's write the XLOOKUP formula to retrieve the category information. So equal XLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, lookup array, the list of securities, comma, return array, the category information, comma. And now we see we have 3 optional fields: if not found, match mode, and search mode. Let's focus on the first one, if not found. You can use this field to specify what XLOOKUP should return if it doesn't find the lookup value. With this optional field, we can basically avoid adding the IFERROR function in front of XLOOKUP to deal with this kind of error, like instead we have to do with VLOOKUP. Not bad. Let's specify, for example, in quotation marks, security not found. We close the quotation marks. We're not interested in the other options, so we close the parentheses as well and we press enter. As you can see, we correctly have tech. But now let's remove Apple here in security details. Let's delete that. And we now have security not found here. Nice. Without specifying anything in the if not found field, we would have had the usual NA error. And this is it, another nice feature brought to you by XLOOKUP. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with the newest videos. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.